Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a bigger table. For an example, a table which fills the page, how to create a big table on your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to make a big table on your Microsoft Office Word web. You can make a table that fill your page size. How big you want, you can easily insert the table. First, you just need to insert how many rows and columns you want. So in my case, I just choosing 3 into 3. So now you just minimize the page size. Then you just need to drag the table to the page size now like this. So make undo if it is not done right. So like this you can change the table size. Okay, so like this you just change the size. Now you just click this and go to the table layout here and just distribute the column and rows like this. So now you can see the table fixed to the page and the table is bigger. So by this option you can just make a table, increase the width and height, then go to the table layout, click on the distribute column and distribute rows, which will equally space the cells and table rows. And by this option you can make a bigger table that you want on the Microsoft Office Word web. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the color subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the Office Word, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video, which is super valuable Word content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.